I will show you in this video how to add different images to individual product options. What you're gonna have to do here is let's go to store, more online store, and then here we're gonna click on manage store. And now from here, what you're gonna have to do is just to click on products. Now let's say I would like to add to this product the variant, so I'm gonna click on the three dots here. Actually, you don't even have to, but usually I'll just like click on here edit, but you're just gonna click on the product itself, and then from here we have add info section, and then here we also have pricing and here category and custom fields, and here you have options, add multiple options for this product. So let's say here size, whatever you want to add, type your section, and then you can add a new section here and save. And now here, if you actually click on manage variants, you actually can add images, which I didn't know. Well, I didn't know. I don't have an option to add images, but you do have an option. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you saved your time. Don't forget that you have these options here if you want to add them. Quantity, and now we have two variants. All right, so I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.